Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to uninstall Listary on Windows in this complete 2026 guide. If you no longer use Listary, want to reinstall it, or need to remove it to fix a problem, this tutorial will walk you through the entire process. Let's begin. First, make sure Listary is not running. If you see the Listary icon in the system tray near the clock, right-click it and choose **exit**. If the application doesn't close, press **Ctrl+Shift+ESC** to open Task Manager. Find **Listary**, right-click it, and select End Task ***. Now open the **Start* menu and search for **Installed Apps**. Open it, then scroll through the list or use the search box to find **Listary**. Click the three-dot menu next to Listary and choose **Uninstall**. If Windows asks for permission, click **Yes** to continue. The Listary uninstaller will open. Follow the on-screen instructions to remove the application from your computer. Wait a few moments while Windows completes the uninstall process. After the uninstallation is finished, it's a good idea to restart your computer. This ensures that any remaining background processes are completely removed. If you plan to install Listary again, you can now download the latest version and perform a clean installation. If you notice any leftover shortcuts or folders, you can safely delete them if they are no longer needed. And that's it. You've successfully uninstalled Listary from your Windows PC. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Windows tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.